Hey guys, I'm working on something pretty exciting today. I'm in this house where I think there used to be carpet over this, and here I'll flip it around. A parquet floor. These are really unique. They're not as common nowadays, but they're really cool. So it's like little wood tiles that get kind of placed around, and you know, believe it or not, some of these can be sanded too and refinished. But today we're just doing a cleaning, and then I'm going to put a finish on top. Give it a nice shine, make it look nice, maybe hide some of these scratches and imperfections. But the first step here when you do parquet flooring is, I got a little vacuum here. You want to get all the debris up, that you can. When you start cleaning and there's any debris, you can drag around little bits of grit and scratch up the floor. So you got to get all that stuff up first. So that's what we're doing now. But yeah. I'll show you when I bring in the dust mop too. We'll do a little dust mopping. Alright, well this is the first phase. Phase one. Do a little dust mopping action here. Let's get those little dust bits out of here. Sand, grit. You want off. It's a scratch-free clean. Very important. I just wanted to give you an idea of what color we're getting out of there. All that gummy stuff, wax buildup and junk from previous cleaners. Look at that. I'm gonna give this a good rinse and we'll keep going. You can see here we got a little bit of like a weird waxy buildup. So I'm trying to take that off. Look at all that. It's all up there, it's here. But it's looking a lot better. We got Haley over here. She's taking care of the floors with our counter-rotating brush machine. And yeah, we're kicking butt over here so far. You know we do vinyl too? Pretty clean. We did one coat and now I'm applying the next one. It's hard to do one-handed here, but we kind of spread it around real good with the finish. Got to do figure eights, that's the secret. It's hard to do with one hand though. Basically I'm going to go around this whole floor figure eights and then out there where Haley's cleaning. But this floor came up really well. Look at that shine, it's beautiful. Beautiful parquet flooring, everyone. So, there you go. I'll show you guys we're doing some low moisture cleaning as well as doing some parquet floors. Look how nice those look. See, we haven't done this side yet, but over there, see all this stuff? That's how this side used to look. The spots everywhere, but they are gone. So we're gonna work on this, and then these stairs here. All low moisture, and they're gonna look fabulous. Here we are cleaning up the stairs. It's doing a great job. It looks awesome. We'll groom these up here shortly, but you probably remember what they looked like before. Wait till you see the after. Yeah, there's a little bit of wear and tear on there, but they look a lot better. No more spots. Awesome. Haley did a great job on these.